Hi all, welcome to Cook for Fun. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make a dish that a lot of people have been asking for, which is orange chicken. So the ingredients needed for the chicken of this dish are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of black or white pepper, salt as needed, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 egg, half a kilogram of boneless or chicken breast. Into a bowl, add all-purpose flour, cornstarch, pepper, soy sauce, egg, and pour some water and mix it very well. Pour water as needed. Once it's mixed very well, add in the chicken to it and mix it very well. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it very well. Cover it tightly and leave it for rest for at least 1 hour or more. After rest, mix it up very well and place a fry pan on high flame with oil in it, with oil as needed for a deep fry. Once the oil is hot, start adding the chickens into it. Reduce the flame if needed. Then start mixing it slowly and start flipping all the chickens. Once the chicken has changed its color lightly and once the chicken is cooked very well, start taking it out of the oil. This chicken is so tasty to eat without the sauce too. So let's look at the ingredients for the sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Into a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic into it and mix it very well. Then add ginger into it and saute it very well. Once it is sauteed, add chili flakes into it. The amount of chili flakes can be reduced if you don't like spice a lot. Stir it till the rawness of the chili flakes goes away. Once that is mixed, add brown sugar, then add white sugar and mix it very well. Once all of these are mixed very well, add orange juice and mix it up. Then add vinegar into it. Then mix it very well. After adding the vinegar and mixing it up, add soy sauce into it and mix it very well. Into the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, add 4 teaspoons of water and mix it up. Cornstarch is added to the sauce for the thickness. Once it is mixed very well, start pouring it into the sauce. Once the sauce has thickened up, start adding the chicken into it. After adding all the chickens in, mix it up very well. Then put it into a plate. Top it with some oil and some spring onions. So our orange chicken is ready. This is a very easy recipe. Please do try this at home and give us your feedback. This can be served with chow mein, white rice or vegetable rice. I have made this with vegetable rice. Our next video will be of the vegetable rice, so please look up for it. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also, like, share and comment. Follow us on Instagram at Cook for Fun. Thank you and have a nice day.